Hello everyone, Benjamin Apollos again, more affectionately known as Apollos. I am back with video number 5 on the Mind Hack, Mind Move 101. Okay, so what we're about to talk about now is how to move your mind and to keep it there. Remember we were talking about in the last video how you can get to that place and walk you through practical steps on how to get there and engage in your 5 senses so that you can experience what it's like to have this new reality right now. You can experience it, and so that when you do physically get it in your hand, you can enjoy the euphoria of having accomplished this. And it's going to give you confidence and faith in yourself and your God or the universe, whatever it is that you have faith in. But make sure the number one thing that you're having confidence and faith in is yourself, because you're the one that's going to have to pull yourself out of a negative way of thinking. You're the one. You're going to have to be the one that's going to have to de-hack the hacking of yourself. All right, it's going to be you. All right, God's not going to do it for you. The universe is not going to do it for you. You can't depend on a spouse, a friend, loved one, significant other. Nobody else to do it for you. You're going to have to do it yourself. Okay, so the point now is I want to show you how to stay there. Once you get into the practice of hacking your mind each and every day, for at least 30 straight days, you're going to become that person. It's just going to happen. And just keep practicing it to the point to where it just becomes your reality. I remember when I was telling you that when I was in school full time, I had 4 minor children. I was married to a woman that did not work outside the home. It was our agreement. And I just didn't focus on that stuff. Yeah, I mean, we every month we never had enough money to pay the bills, because I was going to school, doing what I felt God wanted me to do, and all these things and other things suffered. If you start thinking about those things, you're going to get angry and you're going to get bitter. You're going to start to blame people, and none of that stuff is going to be helpful. It's going to be counterproductive, okay? It's going to be counterproductive. So I'm going to, in these ensuing videos, I'm going to introduce you to a system that I call Mastering Self-Control, and it's going to have several different examples of how you can master yourself, and 3 different levels of mastering self-control, which is survival level, functional level, and mature level of self-control. It's going to give you the 3 different responses, how those different people responded to these different things that came into our lives, and then the consequences and the benefits thereof. All right, so I'll be introducing those to you, and you'll be able to also deal with real life circumstances and play through the models. I'll give you a workbook so you can keep track of all this as well. Okay, so we're on our way. So hang in there, stay in touch, and we're going to be continue to give you free videos, free information, and at some point we'll talk about how we can take this thing to another level, and that I could be your mentor for life. All right, so great things is coming about, and I'll be able to tell you how I went from about $400,000 in the negative to becoming a multi-millionaire on 2 occasions with 2 different business models, one in fitness and one in construction. All right, and I'm still doing both of them right now today. All right, during COVID-19. Yeah,